friends. It's good to see all you scientists today. We're talking about fossils today. Do you know what a fossil is? Okay, I hear you. Yes, Abigail's got it. Yeah, Olivia. Yeah, Madison, Ethan, Anthony. All right, so everybody knows. Let me just tell you anyway. It is an impression or something that's left behind from years ago. Like this is a real fossil. Can you see that well? Of a seashell. And it's embedded in, I think, what was a different seashell. So this seashell, the little tiny ridged one, was on top of this. And for many years, it was pushed down. So there's an impression or marks left from the little seashell that was on top of the big one. So that's a fossil. A fossil can be, it could be shells, it could be stones, it could be leaves, it could be bones. Like here's a seahorse. I have no idea where I got this, and it's like 20 years old, and I still don't know why I have it. But here's some bones, or the outline, or a seahorse that's all dried up, and I could make a fossil of it by putting it into something and flattening it for many, many, many years. Today we're going to make a pretend fossil. A pretend fossil? What is she talking about? So I even have this. You see all the veins of the leaf on there? Pretty nifty, right? Yep. So here's what we're going to do. First things first, I make a mess. Yeah, we know. Yeah, I know. So I put newspaper down because, mess. And I found a big old rock outside. Now I'm going to make a pretend fossil. I put some paint on a plate, and I have a paintbrush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the underside of the leaf. I already painted my hands. Gee whiz, I'm such a mess. And then I'm going to put the painted side here and press it down to make an impression. And I have a little bit of the leaf there. But what if I try maybe on the other side? Let's see how good of an impression I can get. See, there aren't a lot of veins on here. I couldn't find a good fern. So I'm wondering if I can get some of the veins on there to get an impression, because a fossil is an impression of something that lived a long time ago. It doesn't have to have lived, excuse me. It was around a long time ago. There we go. That's better. So I made my own fossil of a leaf. I can put this outside and people could think, wow, it's a real fossil. Will they think that? No. But we could have fun thinking they would. So anyway, we're talking about fossils. If you'd like to make one, that's great. Please make sure you talk to your family before you start ripping out some paint and putting paint all over the place, because I don't want to get in trouble. I could probably make a really good impression of this cool fossil, though. Fossils. Go ahead, have a good time with it. See you later, alligator.